How to change profile name on TikTok. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to change your profile name on TikTok. The process is same for both Android and iOS devices, so don't worry about which one you are using. First, ensure you are connected to the internet and once you are online, open the TikTok app. After opening the app, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Next, tap Edit Profile button. You will see fields for your name and username. If you want to change your display name, which is your name, tap on the name field and enter your new name and then tap Save in the top right corner. Your profile name will now be updated. If you want to change your username, you can do this as well. But keep in mind that you only change your username once every 30 days. I hope this helps you update your profile name on TikTok, whether you are using Android or iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.